Welcome. Today we are unboxing and setting up the Reve Auto CPAP device, your personal companion for better, more restful sleep. The Reve Auto CPAP comes packed inside the compact, travel-friendly carry bag perfect for home or on-the-go use. So let's open the bag and see what's inside. Inside the carrying case, we will find the main CPAP device, this one, the universal power adapter from 100 to 240 volt AC and the output is 24 volt DC. This is the nasal masks. This is the 15 mm tubing. This comes inside this bag, and this humidifier is optional. It comes in a separate package. So this is the humidifier and this is the heating plate and this is the user manual for the device. Before using the device, please remove these three stickers, 1, 2 and 1 on this side. The Reve Auto CPAP features a sleek design with a clear digital screen and easy to use controls. So the Reve CPAP is having advanced features like intelligent start, which means when the patient wears the mask, the machine will start giving the pressure, and when the patient takes off the mask, the machine will stop giving the pressure. The machine is having two ramps, one is manual ramp and other is the intelligent ramp, which gradually increases the pressure once you have fallen asleep. The next comfort feature is the Comfort Control Plus, offering 3 levels that gently reduce the pressure for easier exhalation. The next comfort feature is the Heated Humidification with 10 customizable levels to keep your ear warm and prevent dryness. How to fill the humidifier chamber with the distilled or the purified water up to the maximum level indicated by the fill sign. Here it is the sign. You can see maximum level. Avoid overfilling the optimal performance, then slide it back into the place. Now to open the humidifier, we need to open this lock. Right, this is the maximum sign. You need to pour. This is the purified water. So we'll keep it below maximum level. Yeah, right. Now we need to close it and again fix it to the Reve machine. To remove the humidifier, we need to press this button and take this humidifier sliding out. Now to remove the heating plate, we need to tilt this and it will come out like this. So these are the two locks for this, this one. To place it again, directly insert it like this, then the humidifier goes like this. We have connected the heating plate and the humidifier now. You can see these are the 10 various humidification settings. We can decrease it, keep it off, then 1, 2, 3, 4 up to. So with these changes, the color of this is also changing, humidification. It is red now. If we decrease it. Now how to connect the tubing to the device? This is the port. So now we need to connect it here, right? And the other end to the mask. So this is the tubing, this is the mask. Need to connect it like this. To remove it, so use your thumb like this from the mask side, and same for the machine side like this. Now how to fix the mask properly? So firstly we have to select the proper size. Here it is written S. S means small, then M means medium and L means large. So remove one side step from the mask, then place it softly over the patient's nose like this. Then Now properly tighten it from both sides softly as per patient's comfort. From upside also comfortable. Now how to connect the tubing. So this is the tubing. So on the mask side we have to connect it like this. Now to remove this tube, don't take it directly out. So press it with the help of this thumb like this. Yeah. Again place it and again remove it like this. So this is the proper. After connecting all the accessories, humidifier, tubing and mask, how to pressure on the device. If the intelligent or start option is on, then the machine will start automatically when the patient wears the mask, and it will stop the therapy when the patient takes the mask off. Otherwise manually we can start the pressure from here by touching this power button. So it will automatically adjust the pressure as per patient's. Now because the mask is off, that is why it is coming mask off. Simply disconnect all the accessories and place everything neatly back into the carry bag. Travel ready where you go. Now firstly we have to disconnect this mask from the tubing like this. Then disconnect the tubing from the humidifier chamber. Then press this button and remove the humidifier. Now remove the heating plate, take the power out. Now place the side chamber to the device if it is available. Thank you.